Wearing a mask is one of the prevention measures to limit the spread of the COVID-19 virus. However, the use of masks alone is insufficient to provide the adequate level of protection, and therefore other relevant measures should be adopted. Cabinet Secretary for Trade Betty Maina on Friday announced that locally manufactured face masks will retail at a maximum of 20 shillings.
I'd like to encourage all Kenyans. I think we've been all directed to wear masks. And there are masks for medical personnel, and there are general masks that we can wear as we go out, and in order to prevent us from getting any of these infections while we are going around our businesses.
CS Maina showcased the locally manufactured face masks, recommending a 3-ply mask which includes a filter to avoid infection.
Go out to buy. Ensure that you can detect that it has got 3 plies. There's one inner layer, an outer layer. The darker part is the outer layer for gathering dust, but there will be a filter inside it. So that is something that medical personnel can wear, but also all of us can wear. I think these 3.
But even as the government was demonstrating its wares, others were working day and night to rescue the situation by manufacturing their own mask brands at home, which according to them are meant to help the people living in slums and those in the streets.
And I'll measure using the sanitary towel.
This is Beatrice Gethenji, who runs a charity foundation where she donates sanitary towels to the less fortunate. But after the eruption of the COVID-19 virus, she resorted to making face masks from the same materials she uses to make towels.
Mostly people within the slums and most of the poor places, you'll find people are staying at home, but they are not protected. You are finding like people are going through maybe stairs up to 10th floor. It's a very narrow stairs. We are meeting with people. And most of the Kenyans, they are sharing the bathrooms, they are sharing the toilets, they are sharing the water point. So they are really appreciating. You know, we are telling them, you are our ambassador, telling people to stay at home.
According to Beatrice, the vulnerable people in the society have been left out in the wake of the pandemic, given that the standard masks are too expensive for them to afford.
Most of the people here in Kenya, they are jobless. Most of them, they are orphans, and most of them, they are people living in the street. So we came to realize that here at home, as the government directive, us to stay at home, we should also think of those people who are in the street and those people who are jobless, who cannot afford to buy even one mask as the government tell them to buy.
The message on the mask, written in red, "Stay at home," emphasizes more on the need to avoid social gatherings and observe social distancing and curb the spread of the virus. It is advisable to wear a face mask to prevent droplets of cough or sneeze falling off to surfaces, which might aid in spreading the virus once someone gets into contact with them. Jijina Magundu, K24 TV.